The Birmingham Wheel and city's canals are a reminder of the city's engineering prowess, and a great part of that heritage lives on at Tyseley, where the combination of steam and Shakespeare make a powerful brew.
And this is the Shakespeare Express, which runs from Birmingham to Stratford-upon-Avon. I've never been on a steam train before, so I'm really looking forward to it. Now this is what I call the way to travel. Breakfast, dinner or afternoon tea on the rails. And a perfect window seat, very civilised. Journey, eh? The barge would have been proud, and there's still the journey back to look forward to. Graham's also getting poetic, exploring our greatest writer's hometown.
Stratford-upon-Avon is home to the world-famous Royal Shakespeare Company, and this is the Swan Theatre, dating back to 1875 when local brewer Charles Edward Flower campaigned to have a theatre built in the town of Shakespeare's birth. For 250 years, cultural pilgrims have been flocking here to Shakespeare's birthplace.